Hi there. We are now inside of Google Gemini. If you go to the settings area and you click on apps, you're going to see Google Workspace, and you can toggle Google Workspace on. What this means is that with your account connected, you can find or summarize to get information from your Gmail Docs drive or anything that is connected here in this area. For example, we are now looking at an email in our email account associated with the Gemini that is connected it. And so since we have our workspace toggled on inside of the Gmail connection, Gemini can retrieve personal emails in your Gmail accounts. So we are going to write a simple prompt, and we're going to ask for Gemini to look at our Gmail account. We're now going to click Enter. As you can see, Gemini can look at our Gmail account, and it can give us information about that account, about specific emails in that account. You may have specific documents, and what you can do is you can get Gemini to look at those documents and to give you information about what you may find in one of those documents. So as you can see, when you do your search inside of your Google Docs, Gemini can go and get information from those documents in order to bring them into your chat window and allow you to iterate about the content in those documents. You can use Gemini inside of your selected workspace applications when you have the setting toggle on. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.